Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Tonight we're going to be making an infused drink that's going to help you if you're a person who don't like to drink water, and drinking water is very good for you. It's going to help you to hydrate and lose weight and have a glowing nice skin. So let's get into it. So you should have your water and an apple and some mint. You could get this by the grocery store or from the local market or from anywhere, even your garden. Got some. Make sure you wash your apple, and we're going to be washing our mint. So give your apple a good wash. And be sure to wash your mint. We only need a tiny bit for this, so this is about enough, and we're going to wash this mint. So now our mint have been washed. We're going to squeeze the mint to get the liquid out of it a little bit. Just squeeze it, so just like this, just squeeze it. Much isn't going to come out, but still give it a good squeeze, and then put it in the water. And now we're going to slice some thin slices of apple. With the skin on. You could remove the core if you want, but it isn't necessary. I'll just move mine. And just push that in, mix it around. It's best if you have a spoon to just mix it around, that would be better. But if you don't have a spoon, just do this. So that's about it. It's finished. Fast and easy. Now you're going to put this in your fridge for about 2 hours, and then afterwards you can taste it. We'll be back after 2 hours to let you know the outcome. So okay guys, we are back, and this is the finished infused water after 2 hours was in the fridge, and it's ready to drink, and I'm sure it tastes as delicious as it looks. So don't forget guys, make sure you're drinking plenty of water so your skin could glow and you could lose some weight and just be hydrated. Okay, bye. See you guys in my next video.